Zydus Lifesciences secures US FDA approval for Bosentan 32 mg oral suspension. Zydus Lifesciences continues to build momentum in the US market through steady under approvals. Each new clearance from the US FDA not only expands the commercial basket but also signals regulatory confidence in the company's manufacturing systems and compliance standards. Over time, this consistency becomes a key competitive advantage in the highly regulated US generics landscape. Bosentan is a dual endothelin receptor antagonist used in the management of pulmonary arterial hypertension, a chronic and progressive disorder that increases blood pressure in the arteries of the lungs. In pediatric patients, especially those suffering from idiopathic or congenital PA, availability of suitable formulations is critical for dosing accuracy and long-term therapy adherence. Oral suspension formats provide flexibility and convenience compared to conventional solid dosage forms. Although the annual US market size of approximately 9.3 million United States dollars may appear modest, niche pediatric therapies often experience relatively stable demand and controlled competitive intensity. In the generics business, a portfolio of such mid-sized and specialty products helps create diversified and predictable revenue streams. Instead of relying only on high-volume molecules that face sharp price erosion, companies benefit from adding differentiated products with relatively better pricing stability. The product will be manufactured at the group's CES facility in Ahmedabad, reinforcing the importance of vertically integrated manufacturing capabilities. For Indian pharmaceutical companies operating in the US market, manufacturing excellence is a critical pillar. Regular inspections, quality audits, and compliance standards play a major role in sustaining export growth. Approvals from such facilities strengthen long-term credibility. With this approval, Zydus now holds 432 US FDA approvals and has filed 505 ANDAs since pre-2003, 04. This reflects a sustained and structured approach toward regulated market expansion. A large approval base enhances distributor relationships, improves shelf presence, and supports scale efficiencies in marketing and logistics. From an investor perspective, incremental approvals like Bosentan contribute to strengthening the foundation of the US generics business. While a single product may not significantly alter revenue trajectory, cumulative additions improve portfolio depth, reduce therapeutic concentration risk, and support margin resilience. Over a longer horizon, steady pipeline execution is often more valuable than sporadic large launches. In the broader pharmaceutical sector context, Indian companies are increasingly focusing on specialty generics, differentiated dosage forms, and limited competition segments. This shift reduces exposure to aggressive price erosion commonly seen in commoditized oral solids. Zydus, addition of bosentan oral suspension fits within this broader strategy of selective portfolio enhancement in regulated markets. Overall, the US FDA approval for bosentan 32 mg oral suspension reinforces Zydus Lifesciences' disciplined regulatory execution, specialty focus, and manufacturing strength. While the opportunity size remains niche, it adds stability and diversification to the US portfolio, supporting long-term growth visibility in one of the world's most competitive pharmaceutical markets. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.